back to my channel. I know I look crazy right now, but I just, I want to show you guys how I decide to do my hair now that there's like this craze going on social media. It's called like you can wear headband wigs. So I'm gonna try like, make an attempt on putting on a headband wig. So I brought the hair from Beauty Forever Hair. I actually did not get it from like the actual Beauty Forever Hair website. I went to Amazon. So a lot of people don't know is there's a lot of hair vendors on Amazon. There's like Unice Hair, Beauty Forever Hair, there's Kalai Hair. Like there's so much hair vendors on Amazon that you don't realize you could get your hair on Amazon Prime and it'd be coming in a day or two. But my hair actually came in a day. So I look crazy. Like I have this like this because I'm gonna slay my edges. Like I'm gonna show y'all how I do my headband wig there. So this is, I was too excited. I already wore this hair throughout the week. I was too excited. Plus my hair was looking busted. Y'all don't want to see how my hair looks under this because, no. The hair came in this box. This is empty, y'all. So I'm gonna just show y'all, like, cause I was too excited. I ripped everything out. They gave me a wig cap, which looks like this, and that's what I have on my head. And they gave me like a couple of headbands. Let me show you guys the headbands. Oh, these are the headbands that the hair came with, which is really cute. This looks like a little navy blue and white, my sorority colors. And this little cute, like, floral springtime moment headband. Now I'm gonna show you guys the hair because that's what you guys want to see. You guys want to see the hair. I'm not showing you the hair that it came in, like the natural state that it came in. It was a little bit like more like tighter, so it kind of looked like this. It come like the whole hair like came like this.
Meaning the texture of the hair was like that squiggly.
This is the headband piece, and like this is the like these are the Velcro. You like snap it behind your head, and it has combs and stuff. So the length that I got, it is 22 inches. I believe this is Brazilian water wave. It didn't really tell me the texture like as I was like looking through like headband wigs for Beauty Forever Hair. So I believe, honestly, I really truly believe this texture is either Brazilian water wave or it could be like Malaysian water wave. So let me tell y'all the tea on this hair when it first came to me. The hair, I'm not gonna lie, like it smelled really bad. Y'all know like the hair smell, like a lot of like hair bundles and wigs come in. Usually like whatever, the corn smell don't bother me. But this time, like the smell of the hair, it bothered me. So I had to wash it. Like I shampooed it, like for real. I shampooed it and I put conditioner in it. And the hair, like it still has that stench a little tiny bit, but it's like toned down. So that don't bother me. My boyfriend, he be roasting me. He be roasting my ass and he be like, I smell like corn chips. Like I smell like Fritos. But he swear he funny. But anyway, I'm gonna plan on washing this hair again just to get like, the whole stench out. Like I wanna smell like herbal essence. I wanna smell like suave. Like I want this hair to smell good. So I'm gonna wash it again. But when I washed it, I realized that the hair was shedding as it was wet. It's probably normal like for your hair to shed while it's wet. I mean, I wasn't really expecting that too much, but it is curly hair, so it is gonna shed, and I guess that's what comes with it. But those are the only two things that was like the corn smell and it was shedding. Other than that, like this hair, you guys, like this hair is so nice. Like this is kind of like frizzy a little bit because I like fluffed it out and I wanted it to look a little realistic to me. So I'm going to put this wig on. So let me loosen this. It like loosens like this and then it goes like that. This is y'all seeing me put on a wig right now. Like it's not my first time putting on a wig, but I've never put on a headband wig before. Like this is like some new innovation type of stuff. Give you a little forehead. I like wore this wig to work and my friend was like, girl, like don't you want to give a little bit more forehead? I was like, how much forehead do you need? Like you need Tyra Banks? I just tied it up a little bit just because I don't want like the hair to get stuck. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it snaps. Like I don't know if you guys can see that. Push the headband up because I feel like it's a little long. Like I have a small like round face, so I have to push up like the headband a little bit. And then the edge control that I used Mild Rosemary Mint Strengthening Edge Gel, and it's infused with biotin and encourages hair growth. I really like this edge control, you guys. Like usually when I buy edge control, like I hate every single one of them because it does not hold my hair. I decided to buy the Mild hair gel and it really like works for my hair. And I don't know if it's like growing my edges. I've always had thin edges, by the way. So I had thin edges ever since like I could even remember, like since I was a kid. You know, this is like slightly depressing story, but I remember in school, like girls would be like, oh my God, what happens to your hair on the side? And I literally could not tell them anything besides the fact of like, I would get hairstyles that were too tight when I was little. But I just put it like here on my edges. I do a little comb out. This is the edge brush. I got this edge brush at like Walgreens. Anyway, I'm sorry, I'm just looking off to the side in the mirror. So I'm just like swooping. You know, you gotta do a little swoop, like, you know, your swoop gotta be like waves on shrimp. Right, so I usually like put the headband and stuff, not the headband, like a little scarf thing over it. And I'm gonna put this headband on because blue, let's stay in the blue category. And look how easy it is. Look how, and I had so much questions about headband wigs. Like I was like, do you have to like part it? Do you have to bleach the knots? And I was like looking at different like headband wig videos and it's like, you don't have to do a thing, girl. Like all you gotta do is put a headband on. Like that's all you have to do. You ain't gotta do nothing else. And look how it comes out. So this is what I do. Like I stretched it out and I wore it. You see, y'all can tell I wore it because I got like fuzz in it. It's from my scarf. I like to stay warm, guys. Ooh. But I like roughed it up like this so the curls can come out a little bit and puff up a little bit. Look at how pretty this texture is. Like I'm not gonna lie, like it took me a few days to get used to like the texture and the curl style of this hair, just because I'm not used to wearing like curly hair like this. Like I'm really not. Like look how it looks here. It looks so pretty. Let me just separate some of the hair. Let me get some mousse. I'll be right back. Let me just get some mousse. This is the mousse that I'm currently using. It's the Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils foaming mousse. So I only do like 3 pumps. I don't try to like put too much product in the hair, because I don't want it to like weigh it down, because it's already like so pretty. Like I'm gonna show y'all the back in a second, but isn't this hair like so pretty? So this is how long the hair is on me. So this is where the hair comes on me, like this. When I turn around, the hair is right there. See? So I guess it is 22 because when you stretch it, it's like right at the nip of my butt. This is like the top of the hair. Apparently, like, no, you don't need to like pluck it and create a part, because that's not the point of the wig. I'm trying to get into the wig game. I'm trying to like get into all the U-part wigs, but I'm starting off with the headband wig for now. And maybe down the line you guys will see like more wig and headband videos and stuff like that. But let me grow. So let me just show y'all up close of like how the hair looks. The hair is like, it's easily combable. Like it don't get tangled. The only part of the hair that gets tangled is like the back of the hair, which makes sense because like the nape of the hair is gonna be tangled a little bit, as you can see. But that's not a big deal to me. It doesn't matter to me. Like, I just really brought the hair because it looks so pretty. If you're into like water wave texture, you're really gonna love this hair. Like, you're really gonna, I think it's so pretty on me now. Before I was just like, I don't know if I can do this, like this is so curly. But I'm used to the hair texture. I think that the texture is so pretty. So, and you can like do so many hairstyles with it. It will look natural. Like, this ain't something that, you know, you don't have to wear it down all the time. Like, you can have it up in like a ponytail moment. I've seen people like had it all the way on top of their head. Like, you could do so much with it. It's just so pretty. I would wear a headband wig every day because that's what I'm currently doing right now, so I don't mind. Some people would just be like, no, this is kind of like a quick out the door, I'm going grocery shopping, or I'm going to the gym type of moment. But me, I'm like, no, I'm wearing this every day, sweetheart. Like, all I gotta do is just buy different headbands or whatever. That's the end of this video before I start rambling on. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I did. I enjoyed this video. Y'all see me look crazy and see me put on a wig. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And I also hope you guys share this video. If you guys want to see more hair videos and you guys want me to try on like more wigs, step my wig game up, definitely keep on liking this video so I know that you guys like this type of content. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.